When it comes to cooking in the great outdoors, having a reliable portable griddle can make all the difference. In this video, I'm reviewing 10 best portable griddles for camping, based on features, performance, and overall value. I've done the research so you can easily find the one that matches your cooking style, group size, and budget. Let's get started. Number 1. Blackstone Flat Top Gas Grill Camping Griddle. If you're looking for serious cooking power at the campsite, the Blackstone Flat Top Gas Grill Camping Griddle delivers. With a 28-inch rectangular cooking surface spanning over 524 square inches, there's more than enough room to cook for a crowd. Its dual heating elements provide 9,942 watts of cooking power. And with 2 power levels, you can adjust the heat to suit different dishes at the same time. Built for propane fuel, it offers steady, efficient heat, and the sturdy design ensures it can handle the rigors of outdoor cooking. Number 2. Royal Gourmet Camping Griddle. For campers who want something a bit lighter but still powerful, the Royal Gourmet Camping Griddle is a great pick. Weighing just 29.3 pounds, it's easy to carry and set up. Yet its 3 main burners put out a combined 25,500 British thermal units. More than enough for high-heat searing or quick cooking. Its 319 square-inch porcelain enameled griddle top heats evenly and cleans up easily, while the removable grease cup keeps things tidy during long cooking sessions. Number 3. Lodge Heavy-Duty Camping Griddle. If durability is at the top of your list, the Lodge Heavy-Duty Camping Griddle is hard to beat. Made from solid cast iron, it's built to last for years and can handle everything from pancakes to steaks with ease. At just 8 pounds, it's relatively portable for a cast iron griddle, though it's best suited for those who don't mind a little extra care when cleaning and seasoning. With a maximum temperature setting of 212 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ideal for slow-cooking breakfast favorites or simmering meals over a campfire or portable stove. Number 4. Ecolution Aluminum Camping Griddle. For campers who want a lightweight option that still delivers reliable performance, the Ecolution Aluminum Camping Griddle is a smart pick. Weighing only 2.2 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry, making it perfect for hiking trips or minimalist camping setups. Its square design fits well on most portable stoves, and the silicone handle stays cool to the touch, adding a layer of safety when cooking. The aluminum material heats quickly and evenly, which is great for fast meal prep, and it's also easy to clean. A big plus when water is limited at camp. Number 5. Vayepro Stove Top Flat Camping Griddle. If you're looking for a balance of size, performance, and easy maintenance, the Vayepro Stove Top Flat Camping Griddle is worth a look. Measuring 17 inches by 10.5 inches and weighing just under 3 pounds, it offers plenty of cooking space while staying lightweight enough to pack. It features a non-stick and non-rust coating, which not only makes cleanup simple, but also helps protect the surface during storage. The aluminum build ensures quick heat distribution, and the brand backs it with a 30-day return policy and 12-month free replacement guarantee, giving you extra peace of mind. Number 6. OGERY Foldable Camping Griddle. The OGERY Foldable Camping Griddle is designed for campers who value portability without losing cooking power. Made from stainless steel, it's built to resist rust and handle frequent outdoor use. Despite its compact foldable design, it packs dual burners delivering up to 10,000 British thermal units per hour, ensuring quick and even heat. One standout feature is its windproof construction, which keeps your flame steady even in breezy conditions, something every camper can appreciate. At 5.7 pounds, it's light enough for easy transport and runs on propane for dependable performance. Number 7. Uniflasy Camping Griddle. The Uniflasy Camping Griddle offers a large 25 by 16-inch rectangular cooking surface, making it perfect for bigger camping meals. Weighing 30 pounds, it's not ultra-light, but the size and ceramic surface give it excellent heat retention and even cooking results. The ceramic finish also helps with easy cleaning while providing a durable, scratch-resistant surface. This griddle is ideal for campers who don't mind bringing a slightly heavier unit in exchange for cooking multiple items at once. From pancakes and bacon in the morning to grilled veggies and meats at night. Oh. Number 8. Royal Gourmet Camping Propane Gas Griddle. If you're after a feature-packed griddle for longer camping trips, the Royal Gourmet Camping Propane Gas Griddle stands out. It comes equipped with 3 burners, a folding stand, lid latch buckles, and even a tool holder, making it a full outdoor cooking station. With 314 square inches of cooking area, it's great for family-sized meals, and the removable grease cup helps keep cleanup hassle-free. At 50.7 pounds, it's more suited for car camping or recreational vehicle use rather than backpacking, but the sturdy design and extra features make it worth the space in your gear. Number 9. SKOK Camping Griddle. The SKOK Camping Griddle is built for campers who want both cooking space and durability. With a generous 422.4 square-inch cooking surface, it can handle multiple dishes at once, perfect for group camping trips. The stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the 8.79 kilowatt heating power delivers strong, even heat across the surface. Its portable design and moderate weight of 11.36 kilograms make it easier to move than some other large griddles, though it's still better suited for setups where you have a dedicated cooking spot. Number 10. Blackstone Stainless Steel Camping Griddle. The Blackstone Stainless Steel Camping Griddle blends portability with premium construction. Made from stainless steel and powered by 3,516 watts of cooking power, it's built for consistent heat and reliable results. Its compact design, 21.7 by 20.5 inches, makes it easy to pack, while the 35.2-pound weight gives it a solid, sturdy feel during cooking. This griddle is a great choice for campers who want a reliable, compact cooking solution without skimping on build quality. If you're grilling breakfast, lunch, or dinner, it's designed to keep up with your outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching. Each griddle offering unique features to match different cooking needs. When choosing yours, think about how much cooking space you need, how portable it should be, and whether extra features like wind protection or multiple burners will make your trips more convenient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss my next outdoor gear review.